It's the afternoon weather briefing. I'm James Spann. This is for Tuesday, the 10th of January. Just a picture-perfect winter day today, but some pretty big changes coming up later this week. We'll have the chance of strong, maybe severe storms on Thursday, then sharply colder air coming in here on Friday. Let's kind of walk you through what's going to happen here. We'll start with the upper air look across the country today. Got a broad northwest flow aloft here. Big storm again affecting California. It's been awfully rough out there lately. And again, this is the radar composite. They've had strong winds, tremendous mountain snow, flooding problems. And again, the wave train continues there. But where we are, it's just a delightful winter day. Cobalt blue sky, low humidity, a few scattered clouds, but just gorgeous. Temperatures a little warmer today. We've got mostly low 60s over the northern half of the state. Birmingham at 61. Montgomery 63, and look at Mobile. They've managed to reach 70 on this early January day. Here's our watch warning map across the country today. Again, most of the issues back in the western states, specifically California, with flooding problems and mountain snow problems there, and also maybe strong storms. There is a marginal risk of severe storms through tonight from San Francisco down to Los Angeles and San Diego, and a marginal risk around Las Vegas. How about that? You don't see that too often. Then tomorrow there is a small marginal risk over the western tip of Kentucky and the northwest corner of Tennessee. And then on day 3, which is Thursday, there's some chance of strong to severe storms across the southeastern states, including Alabama. And again, this is the look from the Storm Prediction Center. Much of the state in a level 2 out of level 5 slight risk. And we'll talk much more about the timing and the threats here as we go through modeling in just a moment. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Precipitation. Again, the big number is out west on the Pacific coast. Here, the amount's mostly between 1/2 and 1 inch, and this is valid between now and Tuesday morning of next week. So, model fans, here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And you can see that shortwave coming out of the western states. A surface low begins to form over southern Kansas. But again, for us, it's going to be a nice day, partly sunny with highs pretty close to 70. For the northern half of the state, low in mid-70s near the Gulf Coast, very mild. And then here comes the surface front on Thursday. That surface low moves to a point near Erie, Pennsylvania. And really, for a big severe weather event here, you'd rather see that surface low near St. Louis. But again, there's going to be a trailing front. And on that front, we'll have showers and thunderstorms. So let's go to high-resolution modeling here. This is the high-res 3-kilometer NAM, valid Thursday at 1 o'clock. And really, it's not showing that much. I think we'll probably see a little more robust activity than that, but most likely it's going to be a linear type event. QLCS, quasi-linear convective system. Instability, so-so. That's not really that much. Doesn't take a lot, though, in the cold season for stronger storms to form. This is the storm relative helicity, veering of the wind with altitude in relation to storm motion. And again, those numbers are so-so, but there might be enough for a brief isolated tornado somewhere. And the STP, the significant tornado parameter, I'd say the better chance of an isolated brief tornado probably around the Chattahoochee River, where you see those numbers maximized east and southeast of Montgomery in advance of the front. But again, typically in a setup like this, the issue it's going to be just strong gusty winds. I don't think it's going to be a major super-duper severe weather day. But again, like we always say, all it takes is one severe storm that knocks down one tree and it goes into your house, and it's a super-duper major day. So in terms of the timing, the window for severe storms for northwest Alabama, 9 a.m. until noon. This is Thursday morning. For the central part of the state, that would include Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, Montgomery, 11 a.m. until 4 p.m., kind of the midday hours. And then southeast Alabama areas south and east of Montgomery, the window between 3 and 9 o'clock on Thursday. And then after the showers and storms, we turn sharply colder on Friday. Now, the thickness values are really low here, but a lot of this, it's cold air aloft producing those values. But still at the surface, I think we'll see highs on Friday in the 40s over North Alabama, 50s for the southern counties of the state. And that's a good 25 degrees colder than the values we're going to see Thursday, so a sharp drop. And yes, the chance of snow flurries Friday, maybe for the northeastern part of the state, areas north and east of Birmingham. And like we've talked about, if you want to see snow accumulating, you need to head to the mountains of East Tennessee and western North Carolina. Going to be a fun day to be up in Gatlinburg or Pigeons Forge. Saturday will be a bright, sunny day. We start the day well down in the 20s. We might see a few of the colder pockets closer to 20. Very cold morning. The high Saturday near 50 for North Alabama, closer to 60 for the southern counties of the state. And Sunday will be a sunny day. We start the day Sunday morning below freezing. Then the high Sunday afternoon should be in the upper 50s in North Alabama, 60s for the southern counties of the state. And then Monday, here comes our next system. This time we have a surface low near St. Louis, and again, that could bring some strong storms in here, possibly late Monday or Monday night. And this is Tuesday, got troughing to the west, evidence that front might be stalling out across the central counties of the state. So, and again, it's way too early to know if we have any severe weather issues with this, but certainly a chance of maybe some strong storms early next week, late Monday, Monday night, or possibly Tuesday. And we can be much more specific on this once we get past our Thursday storm system. So let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 20th. Little trough to the north, and evidence we could see a few showers around, especially for the southern counties of the state. This is rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean is the green line, between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 25th of January. And it's the old roller coaster ride. We ride these a lot around here this time of the year. This is the national blend of models for Birmingham. And you can see mid to upper 60s tomorrow and Thursday, then mid 40s on Friday. And for Birmingham, it's got 30 Saturday and Sunday morning. Many places going to be in the 20s early those mornings. 50 on Saturday, 58 Sunday. Then we bounce right back up to near 70 by Wednesday of next week. And hot off the presses. Got the brand new 8 to 14 day outlook. This is for January 18th through the 24th. And again, it's a high amplitude pattern with a trough in the west, a ridge in the east. Now, this will be flipping at some point, probably late this month. But if this all works out, temperatures where we are will likely be above average. Hey, let's roll that Pepsi Kid Can. Come on now. Today at Good Hope Elementary School in Cullman County, the 5th graders. Are you smarter than a 5th grader? I don't know if I am. These kids were great today, and something about that cake is just visually appealing to me, and something about that cookie is visually appealing to me. Boy, those treats were outstanding. But I've been coming to see the kids at Good Hope for many, many, many years. Home of Jeff Spiegel, our sports director here at 3340. But the kids were just great today. So again, to everybody at Good Hope Elementary School, thanks a lot for a great visit today. I'll be back up in Cullman County tomorrow, going to West Elementary School. We had planned that one on Thursday, but we moved it to tomorrow to get ahead of those storms. And don't forget a book signing in downtown Fayette on Saturday. We'll be there from 10 until 1. Details are over on my Facebook page. So thanks for watching. As always, we have notes on the blog. That's AlabamaWX.com. And if you can, join us across the hall here in Studio A, ABC 3340 News this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.